This video is looking at Google Chromebooks, and with this Chromebook idea, some of the different accessibility settings. So currently there's a number of different students who have had a need to help them focus, had a need to help them with some visual assistance in our school district. Google Chromebooks have a few basic tools for this. So you can see my screen here, how I have in the bottom left corner this clock all the way over to an icon for my avatar-like image. That clock over is one button. It's to get to the settings piece. All right. So to find the accessibility settings, I can click here and I can click on the settings. And now at this point, I can actually choose to search for what I want. Remember, we're using a Google tool, and Google's known for search. So if I type accessibility, it'll actually find in the settings the search results for me. So at this point, I can enable different parts by clicking. So for students who have trouble with focus, I highly recommend the idea of highlighting the mouse cursor when it's moving. So what this does is when I move my mouse now, the red circle appears. So my eyes will go to that. To undo it, I uncheck it. Another idea to support students in a different way with visual impairments potentially could be having a large mouse icon. Could also be to use the screen magnifier. And then lastly, potentially the high contrast mode. My eyes don't like this, but others might benefit from it. So what I showcased was the idea of going to settings and choosing in settings, accessibility. And then checking and unchecking the boxes to be able to focus on or add on these different accessibility options.